Hello students, today we are going to learn what is meant by the variable. The variable is an identifier and which is the name given to the memory location where specific type of the constant is stored. When we write a program, then it is necessary to declare the variable. That variable acts as a placeholder. So the definition of the variable is that the variable is an identifier and which is used to give the name for a specific location. So when we consider this is the one memory location and in this location some specific type of the constant is stored. When I want to store the integer type of the constant, consider 2 is the constant which is of type integer and here we give a specific name for that particular location. Consider the name given is the A. So we refer this A as the variable. So see what is the mean by the variable. This is the memory location. Within that memory location the specific type of the constant is stored and the name given to that particular memory location is known as the variable. Now in a C language, when we declare the variable, there are 4 different kinds of the rules applied to declare the give the name for the variable. So see, what are the rules? The first one is the variable name must start with the alphabet. See, it start with alphabet. Start with alphabet. Every variable name must start with the alphabet. That means the variable name doesn't start with any other digit or the special symbol or any other than the alphabet. Definitely it start with the alphabet. Then the second rule that can be used to give the name for variable is that no commas or blank spaces allowed within a variable name. No commas or blank space. No commas or blank space is allowed within a variable name. That means it must be a continue without the comma, without the blank space. Then third one is no any special symbol is allowed within the variable name but except one which is the underscore. No special symbol other than underscore is allowed within a variable name. That means when we give the name for the variable, we use only one special symbol, that is the underscore. Other than underscore we cannot use any special symbol. Then fourth rule is when we give the variable name, it must not be a keyword. That means the keywords or reserved words are not allowed as a variable names. Keywords not allowed. Keywords or reserved words are not allowed as a variable name. So in order to give the name for the variable, there are 4 rules. See once again, the first one, it start with the alphabet. Every variable name must start with the alphabet. No commas or blank space is allowed within a variable name. No special symbol other than underscore is allowed within the variable name, and keywords or reserved words are not allowed as a variable name. Now see what is meant by the keywords. Keywords, that means its meaning is already stated to the compiler. The words whose meaning is already stated to the compiler is known as the keywords, like int, float, char, void. These are the reserved words and all these words are not used as the variable name. So these are the rules for giving the name for the variable. Now see how the variable can be declared. In order to declare the variable, we have the syntax. That syntax consists the data type space variable name and terminating semicolon. So this is the syntax which is used to declare the variable name. Now we see the variable name and the name given according to these rules. And for the particular variable, which type of the data that variable holds, that can be decided by using the data type. So this variable name follows all these the rule. That means this variable start with the alphabet. It doesn't contain the comma or blank space. No special symbol other than underscore is allowed, and the keyword is also not allowed. For example, in order to declare the integer type of the variable, the data type is the integer and the name of variable is the a and then terminating semicolon. So this is the declaration of the variable, and I show here this is the memory block and the name given to this memory block is the name of the variable. So when we consider the valid and invalid name of the variable, then suppose I give the name of the variable is the 1, 2, 3. This is not allowed. 5 is not allowed because it starts with the digit. We say that the variable name must start with the alphabet, and here the name of the variable is start with the digit, so it is not allowed. Or when we give the space, for example, gross sal. These are the two separate words. Gross is one word, salary is another word, and the space is in between these two words. So it is also not allowed. Or when we use the special symbol like dash, it is also not allowed because dash is not allowed within the variable name. And suppose I declare the variable name as int void. This is also not allowed. Why it is not allowed? Because void is the keyword, and we say that the keywords are not allowed as a variable. So these are all about the declaration of the variables. Okay.